Hey, so I'm going to just show you quickly how to create a post on our blog site. And for this semester, we're using our WordPress site to create blogs. And what this will end up looking like is a site like this one from past semesters, which is full of what you have seen throughout the semester. It's important to me as an instructor and important to you as growing artists to really be looking out to the world and seeing what is around you, not just what I show you in class. And so here is our blog. Right now, it just has our welcome and posting guidelines. And I've given you a list of places to look just in case you need to have some initial inspiration for finding resources online about what's happening in both art and design. And as an example, I saw this post a few days ago from Hyperallergic, which is an art blog. And these paintings that this artist Anne Neely does relate a lot to what we're going to see and what you will have seen if you're watching this in the future, to what we talk about with abstraction in terms of patterning, negative space and distance. And also she talks about seeing the artist Helen Frankenthaler's work in person, which is someone we look at in class. And so what I'm going to do is create a post about this blog here, or about this article here. So to log in, the easiest way to do this is I come up to our navigation bar and I type login after our website. And that's going to ask me to log into my account. I have my information saved. And you'll see this option for writing at the blog at the top. And even if I come back to the site here, this will still be located at the top. And so I'm going to click write to create a new post. And I'm just going to use the same title of the Hyperallergic article. And I'm going to write a couple sentences, something like, to see the article, or you could say like, click here for the article. And WordPress allows you to highlight your text. And if you go to this symbol here, you can create a link. And I'm going to come back to my other article, Command C to copy it, Command V to paste it. And I like opening it in a new tab. And to make this stick, you either have to hit the submit button or hit return or enter. And there's one last thing you need to do. This would be, I would like you to write a little bit more than what I have here. Tell us why, tell us other things that made you think of. This is really open to anything that is tangentially related to what we do in class. And so to create a featured image, I'm going to select image and I'm going to go to my media library. And I've got a couple options. One, I could copy and paste and drag and drop an image into here. So if I go to my desktop, I think I already have an image saved. So I can come here and I can drag and drop that in. Or what's even easier is you'll see this add new button, a little drop down menu. If I come back to an image on a site, or I can even do this with Google Images if I want to get something different, I right click on the image, copy image address, and then drop down this menu, add via URL, and I'm gonna paste it in here and say upload. Might take a second, but now we have this beautiful image right here. I only need one. And say insert, and it's gonna create the featured image right here on the side. So when I publish it, it's gonna ask me twice, do I wanna publish it? The answer is yes. I can view my post. It'll have that image right here next to it. And this will end up looking really nice and organized next to our space. And it gives someone who looks at your post and to think like, oh, I like that image. I'll click on it and read a little bit more. And these are the basics of how to upload and create a blog post on WordPress.